Welcome back to Mastering Airport English. Today's video is all about talking to flight attendants. Whether it's your first time flying or you're a frequent traveler, knowing the right phrases in English can make your flight more comfortable and enjoyable. Let's go over some common situations and what you can say to communicate effectively with flight attendants. Let's start with the basics. When you first board the plane, the flight attendants will greet you. You can respond with a simple hello or good morning or good evening, depending on the time of day. It's a small gesture, but it starts things off on a friendly note. Once you're seated, you may need help finding space for your bag. You can ask a flight attendant, "Excuse me, is there space for my bag in the overhead compartment?" If there isn't any space, they'll either help you find room or suggest placing it under the seat in front of you. After takeoff, flight attendants usually come around with snacks and drinks. When they ask what you'd like, you can say, "I'll have a coffee, please," or "Could I have some water?" If you're not sure what's available, you can ask, "What drinks do you have?" They'll list the options for you so you can choose. Sometimes, you may feel cold or warm during the flight. If you need a blanket, you can ask, "Excuse me, could I have a blanket, please?" Or, if you're feeling too warm, you might say, "Could you adjust the air, please?" These requests are very common, and flight attendants are usually happy to help. If you'd like something to eat beyond what's offered, you can ask, "Are there any additional snacks or meals available?" On some flights, there may be extra snacks for purchase, or they might have small snacks available on request. For longer flights, you may want to know how much time is left until arrival. You can ask, "Excuse me, how much longer until we land?" This is helpful if you're trying to plan for connecting flights or just curious about the remaining flight time. If you're unsure about how to use something on the plane, like the entertainment system or the seat adjustment, feel free to ask a flight attendant. For example, "Could you show me how to use the entertainment system?" Or, "How do I adjust my seat?" They're there to help you get comfortable, so don't hesitate to ask for assistance. In the case of an emergency, or if you feel unwell, it's important to let the flight attendants know right away. You can say, "Excuse me, I don't feel well. Could you help me?" Or, "I think I might need some medical assistance." They're trained to handle these situations and will ensure you get the care you need as quickly as possible. If you need to move around or stretch during the flight, you might want to check with a flight attendant. You could say, "Is it okay if I walk around for a bit?" Or, if the seatbelt sign is on, "Could you let me know when it's safe to get up?" This helps you stay safe while also getting a chance to stretch your legs. As the flight prepares to land, the attendants may ask you to fasten your seatbelt or return your seat to the upright position. If you miss the announcement or need a reminder, you can ask, "Do I need to put my seat up now?" Or, "Is it time to fasten my seatbelt?" This keeps you informed and ensures you're ready for landing. Let's go over some of these key phrases once more. Hello or good evening to greet the flight attendants. Is there space for my bag in the overhead compartment? If you need help with your luggage, "I'll have a coffee, please," when ordering a drink. "Could I have a blanket, please?" if you're feeling cold. "How much longer until we land?" if you want to know the remaining flight time. "Could you show me how to use the entertainment system?" for help with onboard features. "Excuse me, I don't feel well. Could you help me?" if you need medical assistance. And finally, "Do I need to put my seat up now?" as the flight prepares to land. Using these phrases will help you communicate clearly with flight attendants and make your flight smoother and more comfortable. Remember, flight attendants are there to help, so don't be shy about asking for what you need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more travel English tips. Enjoy your flight, and we'll see you in the next video.